Hey guys, we received this VELIKE travel adapter. It's a worldwide international power adapter. So it's a universal power adapter plug for the conversion of the wall type C charger. So actually say like if you are going outside on an international trip, you have a different plugs. So like in US, you have a different India, Asia, Europe, you have a different plugs. So you can use this, like this is for India or the Asian plug. And then this is for the US, so you can just use this one. So you can actually have a different one. So you can use these adapters in different countries. So say for the Europe, you have this, and you can use this plug for the Europe. So it's a really nice thing. And then you can also use all different countries plug inside, like in the other side. And then also say this is the US plug I have. You can put in here, and then you can also use all the different countries plug directly in it. It have a USB C and USB, so you can charge your devices. Say you can use the USB, say US plug here, the light is on, then you can use this other the USB or the US or the other plugs from the other side. So it's a very nice thing to use and have.